how to get videos. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, yes.
Yeah, it was clear, right?
Yeah, yes.
Very clear. See, no attachments, nothing. Simply visit TekZenius website and go to your account and everything is there, even though including class link also, right? Yeah. How many are already visiting that one? How many are already like accessing that site?
I already downloaded already.
Yeah, we have already downloaded.
Not required to download, actually you can watch from there. Okay, fine. Yeah, let's yesterday it was like we have seen a couple of programs in C#.net. Now we're going to see next level very basic 2-3 programs we have written yesterday. So now let me explain about variable. Let's see, whenever you are writing a program, you need a concept called variable. Very basic concept it is. So I have a question. What is variable? What is variable? Very basic.
I think which value can be changed. It's not a
One minute.
constant.
Yesterday we were just simply printing couple of messages program only. So the guys yesterday class also not required to worry, because similar programs we are writing today. It's a second session in C#.net coding. Okay. What is variable? Somebody are explaining, please. Yeah.
Which can be changed. Actually, the value can be changeable, not constant.
Okay, so variable means a field which represents some value. The value can be changed. A field which represents some value, the value can be changed. So, for example, yeah, here you can observe a field. A is the name of the variable. Suppose there is a value called 10. The 10 is a value. A is the name of the variable. Okay. Suppose the 10 can be changed as 11 also. Okay, that is called a variable. Again, immediately we'll have a question. So when we will go for variable, simple, very basic. When we will go for variable, yeah, what is your answer? When you will go for variable means, as a developer, as a programmer, you should understand when you have to go for a concept for variable, because in every programming language you will have this concept. So we people should have the clarity about this. I have given a promise to you that I am going to start from very scratch, maybe that day, whether you trust or not. Now you see, we're just discussing about variable. When we'll go for variable, guys? Whenever? Yeah, whenever. Anyone can explain when we'll go for variable?
So the value will be changes from, it may not be constant throughout the program. Maybe it changes.
Yeah, whenever, let me explain. Whenever we want to represent a value which can be changed, whenever we want to represent a value which can be changed, for this requirement we'll go for a concept called variable. Can we give some examples for this? Anyone can give examples for this? Yeah, examples. Yeah, I want to represent a field called age. So age, you want to represent age. Age means it should represent 20, 25. The value is going to change. So you can declare it as what? Guys, hello. Can declare it as variable. So now we need to understand syntax to declare variable. Syntax to declare variable. Yeah, we need to understand the syntax to declare variable. Right. Syntax to declare variable. Okay. So, right. So, what is the syntax to declare variable? Any idea?
Integer characters, like if you have an integer I,
Data type.
data type, and
One minute. Whatever it is. we should go with what? Standardized format. That will be good for us. Okay. Now let me explain. 1 minute. Yeah. Sorry, it's responding slowly here. Data type, variable name, equal to value. Data type, variable name equal to value. Okay. Data type, variable name equal to value. So here we should say, yeah, 1 second, guys. See, my system is going slowly. Let me re-log in. Wait, all of you guys. Saiti, are you there?
Sir, yes, sir.
Saiti. Give me 2 minutes time, guys. Just I'll log off and log in. You be wait.
Okay.
Equal to value, semicolon. Here I have a question to all the guys. What do you mean by data type here? What do you mean by data type here?
Data type is integer, characters, float.
Yeah, data type means the type of the value which you want to represent. Like there are n number of data types we have. Numerical data types, floating point data types, character data types. So that you have to mention here. Here variable name means the field name. Suppose you want to store, want to represent age, then you can give here age. Here value means the value you want to assign. For example, here what I am doing here, guys, my plan is right now we are not entering into data types. We don't know any data types in C#.NET. So that is the reason for basic examples, I am going to expose two data types with you, into and double and string. Three data types I am going to take a basic examples. Why? Because to write out before entering into data types topic, clear data types topic, we are going to write a couple of programs, basic programming. To write that basic programming, we are using three data types which you are little bit familiar. Into A equal to 10. Here I have a question. Int is a data type, right? A is what?
Field.
Variable name. And 10 is what?
Constant value.
Value.
And this is what? Assignment operator. Next. Int is a numerical data type. Numerical data means a value which is not a number, which is not having floating point, is called numerical data. And double B equal to 10.5. Here double is one of the floating point data type. Floating point data or floating data means a number which is having fractional part. And here double is the data type, B is the variable name, 10.5 is the value. Now coming to string S equal to Rama. String S equal to Rama. Before going for these examples, better to have some clarity about something like this. Example for numerical data. I have a question. What do you mean by numerical data, guys? Because here bit confusion will be there. Better to get clarified. What do you mean by numerical data? What do you mean by numerical data?
Const numerical values, it's a values, correct? We have to replace variable.
Right. Yeah, only one guy is responding for every question. Other than him, yeah, remaining people. Yeah, what do you mean by numerical data? Yeah, a number of people can respond. Come on. Anyone others? What do you mean? See, interaction.
Which can be used for arithmetics or calculations.
No, I didn't ask where you will use. I am asking you, what do you mean by numerical data?
Which can be represented
numbers.
Yeah, very simple. A number which is not having fractional part will be called as numerical data. Example, can I say 10 is a numerical data?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes.
Can I say
Yes.
20
Yes.
is a numerical data? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Before this, we need to understand one more thing. What do you mean by example for string data? What do you mean by string data? String data. What do you mean by string data? What do you mean by string data? Collection of characters. Collection of characters. That collection of characters which should be enclosed with what? String data should be enclosed with what? Come on. Double quotes.
Double quotation.
For string data, can I say Rama is a string or not string?
Yeah, it's a string.
Right. Now coming to here, here a number of examples we can give. Like give me some more string examples, guys. Give me some more string examples. Some more string examples. Yeah.
All the names.
Right. I have a question. Rama is a string or not string? String. Now double quotes Rama 123 is a string or not string? Yes or no? Only one thing.
A string. It's a string.
String. Double quotes 123 Rama is a string or not string?
String.
It's a string.
Very good. Double quotes 123 is a string or not string?
String.
It's a string.
A number of people will have a confusion here. It is
String.
also
String.
string only within the double quotes. Next, double quotes 10.5 is a string or not?
String.
It is also string. 6. Double quotes empty. Is it string or not?
String. String. Empty string.
Yes, we can say within the double quotes empty string, anything whatever you write is a string data. I hope you are clear here. This clarity is very important. Now come back to, now we will see the example for numerical data. Now we have to come to example for numerical data. Example for numerical data. What do you mean by numerical data? A number which is not having fractional part is called numerical data. Can I say 10 is a numerical data?
Yeah.
Yes.
10.5 is a numerical data?
No.
No.
No. Why?
Point
Because
is
it has
decimal
fraction.
point.
It is having, and the people who are talking also give chance to others to speak also. Don't try to only one person should talk always. Remaining people also don't sit idle. Try to interact. 10.5 is not a numerical data because it's having fractional part. It will come under floating point data. Remember, double quotes 10 is a string data. Sorry, is a numerical data.
No,
Numerical
no.
data.
No.
No, string data. I hope you are clear. Next, come back to our discussion. Example for floating point data. Example for floating point data. Here I have a question. The question is What do you mean by floating point data? We need to understand what do you mean by floating point data. A number which is having fractional part will be called as floating point data. Example for floating point data, 10.5 is a floating point data. Can I say 10 is a floating point data, guys?
Yes.
No.
No, because it will come under numerical data. Third one, double codes 10.5, can I say floating point data?
No, it's a string.
It is called as string data. See, these are the main basics. See, why you are unable to write programming in your academic, why you are feeling scaring about coding, because this type of basics are missing. All faculties, I have observed so many people, I first thought to start a concept called variable, but immediately here I got some gap. Immediately I went to numerical data, but when I am explaining numerical data, I have observed there is a gap. I went to string data first. Understood that approach should recognize by not student, it should recognize by the teacher, has to recognize where he has to start the subject. Everybody will teach well, no doubt about that, but student standards also we have to consider. We'll go to a rural place to meet our grandparents. What language we should use, guys? That slang, that type of language you are talking. We are in office. That is a different language. So according to the audience level, we should use our like where we have to start all these things. We have to. He is called a good speaker. Okay. Now, example for variables here. Int is one of the numerical data type. A is the variable name. 10 is the value. So what will happen in this slide? You can ask me. I'll show you what is going to be happen here. What is going to be happen here? I'm going to show you. Right. See. Yeah. Yes, this line is doing what I'm showing you very clearly. It is creating one variable. The name of the variable is A. The value is 10. And the data type is?
Integer.
Very good. And this line is creating a variable called B. And the value is 10.5. See, what is the role of this? This is called assignment operator, which will assign, very simple, which will assign RHS value into LHS. Yeah, here, which will assign RHS value into LHS, like that. Here I'll explain, otherwise, string as one field equal to RAM. Assignment operator is assigning RHS value into LHS field. Like that is the role of RHS. Observed how many variables created here, guys?
3.
3 variables. 3. I hope now you understood what do you mean by variable. And here we are discussing at present, going to discuss local variable. What is local variable? What is local variable? What is local variable? Answer. A variable which is declared inside the method. A variable which is declared inside the method is called as local variable. A variable which is declared inside the method is called as local variable. Again, I'm telling you, a variable which is declared inside the method is called a local variable. So coming to, yeah, now guys, we are writing programming. Already we started, we created yesterday one simple application. What is the software platform we are using? Same question I asked yesterday also to write the programming.
.NET platform. C#
No. Platform is .NET. What is the type of application? Come on.
Console application.
Console application.
Wait. Let give chance to others to speak. Okay, all of the people, Shruti, Sudarshan, Surender, Swati, Usha, don't sit idle. Okay, every time somebody. .NET platform, type of application is console. What is the language we are using?
C#.NET.
C#.NET.
What is the technology we are using? What is the technology? That's one technology. Console. Okay, na? And what is the development environment we are using? Come on.
.NET Visual
Correct.
Studio.
And the .NET framework.
.NET
What is
Framework.
uh, listen. I explained very clearly. Development environment is Visual Studio.NET. What is the runtime environment?
.NET framework.
.NET Framework.
Today, already we created one application. That application is my console. Same application I am opening. Now I open Visual Studio. I am opening. The name of the application is my console. Where we saved this application in our system, which drive? Let's assume
D drive.
Some location I saved in D drive. So for your clarity, which are the points are very important. Okay, what you are doing, you should have the clarity. So somebody will do. Somebody will open Visual Studio. They are writing programs, and they have a doubt where the application is saving. The application is saving in your system, D drive only. Okay, now I have a question. What is local variable? A variable which is declared inside the method. Now till yesterday onwards, we are writing programming only in which method?
Main method.
Main method.
Method into A equal to 10. A is a, can I say A is a local variable?
Yes.
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 Why?
Yes.
Because you declared inside method. Suppose I said into x equal to, now you are going to see the test of coding, right? Int x equal to 100. Now my question is, can I say x is a local variable?
No.
Yes.
No.
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 Because it's not inside the method. You declared outside the method. Sir, what is it, this variable? It will be called class level variable. Again, there is a concept called instance variable and static variable. Will come when we entered into advanced course like OOPS concept. So there I'll give you the clarity, very deep OOPS. I will play volleyball, football with OOPS. I'm sure you will become masters in OOPS in my classes. Yesterday I said 20 people are selected, not 20 people. Around still recruitments are going on. By yesterday morning, 25 people selected in a drive. HR sent to me the list of the 25 my candidates. Still yesterday, 2-4 candidates are recruiting. They need 50 people. Every student who are going is selecting, and the HR is asking the students, is RN Reddy has given any question paper to you? Because everybody are almost all getting same marks. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you. OOPS is a very important concept for .NET people and Java people, that when we will enter there, we'll understand about class level variables. Up to that, we'll write the code only in main method, means we are going to work with only local variables. Okay, now guys, understood up to here?
Just one moves in nothing but the global variable. Just to clarify.
Leave it,
Yes, sir.
leave it about class level variable. I'm talking about only local variable. Okay, na? A variable which is declared inside the method is called a local variable. Right now we are going to write code only in method, means going to work with only local variables. Once we entered into OOPS, we'll think about that. Right. Now come back to our discussion. Right. I'm going to start again coding with variables. Get
No.
ready. Coding with variables. Don't give events. Huh? Coding with variables. Are you getting my voice, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, task. Next program. Guys, example otherwise, write a console program. WCAP means write a console program to store name and age,
Peter talks to his.
two variables. Are you getting voice? Any problem? Somebody are yeah, write a console program. Kushal, any problem? Write a console program to store name. Are you getting my voice, all of you?
Yeah, we are getting your voice.
Some disturbance is there.
For others, how is
Sir, my voice is not reaching up to you. I guess.
No problem. Who's your name? Kushbua?
Yeah, Kushbu.
Kushbua, I'm getting your voice now. Now, any other disturbance?
Okay.
Guys, remaining people, my voice is clear, right?
Yes.
Yeah, any
Yes,
disturbance? Yeah. Okay, if any one person you are getting some here and there disturbance, just simple log off and log in. That's it. Sometimes it will be network disturbances will be there. Okay. Now, write a console program to store name and age into two variables. Then print those values with the help of variables. With the help of variables. This is my requirement. Generally, whenever you have a requirement like this, what the people will do will be hurry burry, will write the code. No, 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 no. You want to construct a house. What you will do, guys, generally, you will start immediately constructing a, no. We will take a
Do architecture planning.
First, we will understand our requirement. We'll understand our requirement. Here, this is our requirement. Means how many family members are there in our family and what is our budget. And according to that, we'll understand. We'll get a clarity that we need a 2-bedroom flat or 3-bedroom flat or 4-bedroom flat. That requirement we will give to architect people. He will understand our requirement. According to our requirement, he will give a house plan, and based on house plan they will construct the house. Similarly, here this is our requirement. Now we have to design our expectable output, what it's going to be. So for this requirement, first we have to design the solution like house plan. Second, based on the design solution, we have to write the program. You see, this is called designing the solution. Most of the people will neglect this, but it will make you good programmer. I'm trusting you also try to trust. So this is called OP. All of you guys, you also take pen and paper. Now onward, so many places will use. Maintain one workbook for this. OP. OP means what, guys? Come on. Expectable output. How many values you want to store, guys? Come on.
2 values.
2 values. First, which value you want to store?
Like name.
Name, Rama. So if you want to store a value, you need a concept called what?
Variable.
Variable. This variable name itself name. Data type is, come on, follow me, properly follow me. Data type is
String.
very good. Value is, for example, my name is Rama, like Rama. Are you clear? Yes. Now I want to declare, I want to represent to a value called age 20. What is the variable name? Age. What is the data type?
Integer.
Integer. Very good. Come on. Now, according to requirement, you declare 2 variables. Clear, all of you? Yeah. Now you are going to print. I'm going to print. I want print Rama. Rama, you are not printing directly. You are printing with the help of a variable called name. Am I right?
Yes.
Next, moving the cursor to next line. Next, you are printing 20 called age. Moving the cursor to next line, and this is called holding. This is your design. For this design, now you have to convert into program. Everybody taken on paper like this?
Yes.
Next, for this program I have designed. For next programs onwards, you have to design. Come on, write the code. You guys taken on paper, all of you. I'm removing this. Taken. Now, come on, go to Visual Studio. You write your own code for that requirement. Come on, do it, all of you. I hope completed. Nice. Got the output? Completed. How many are completed? Fast.
కోపం వస్తుందా?
Come on, Reshma, come on. Code, come on. String,
మంచిగా కాలుస్తలేరు.
String name is equal to Rama
come on. Right.
and integer age is equal to 20. Yeah.
Next.
Console dot write line.
Console dot write line. Most of the people, some of the people written like this. No, not like that.
Display name.
Variable, name. Some of the people written like this. How can you know that? I know. I'm sure some of the people written like this. Anybody? Accepting mistakes also really, really great. Huh? Anybody written like this?
Java we can read like that, correct? Without
Forget about Java boss. Okay? Okay, you will leave it. Don't compare here and there. Come on. Yeah guys, what is the output for this?
Only display name.
Will display name because we're printing a string value, but you want to print a value, string value with the help of variable. With the help of variable means here you should use. Now it will take it as a string. Okay, now double quotes you should remove. Okay, now right. Okay, now right. Now you see. Next, console dot write line. Console dot write line. Right. This is the actual code. How many people written like this? Is my voice is low, guys?
Yes, sir, your voice is low.
Let me guess why you didn't tell to me till the time why you are listening like that. I have a chance of increasing my volume, right? Yeah, come on. Then how many are able to write code like this? See, understanding, not understanding, whether you are able to write or not, that is important here. How many are able to write code like this? Able to write? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Now let's trace the code. Did you remember about tracing of yesterday? Debugging.
Yes, sir.
With the help of breakpoint. So first let me fix the breakpoint. Go to the left side of my main method and left side exactly method heading. Press the left mouse button. One ball like red color breakpoint. Now what is the function key for debugging, line by line debugging with the help of breakpoint? F function key.
F10.
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 Then I am pressing. Now you see. Yeah. Again. Yeah. F10. Yes, first it is selected. Opening brace. Again F10. Now what is happening? Now come on. Now what is happening? In my code. What I am doing, you know. What I am doing again. I am going to do tracing. Can you take pen and paper, all of you?
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
It's very low and
Now, hello. How is my voice?
It's very, very low.
Now, how is my voice?
Now it's better.
Okay, fine. Immediately you have to inform any problem is there, huh? Right. Right. Now I'm tracing. Guys, Babu, 3 steps are there. Understanding the requirement, designing the solution. Step 1 over. Step 2, based on the design, write the code. That is step 2 over. Step 3 is executing the code line by line is called tracing. Now we are doing step 3. Are you ready?
yes, sir.
Then you need to take pen and paper. Live tracing. Pen and paper taken by all the people. I'll check with webcam now randomly. Suddenly I'll ask you on your webcam and show me pen and paper what you have done. I'm sure after tracing is completed, I may ask 1 or 2 people, show me your traced output. You have to show me. Get ready, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yeah, I'm tracing. Whenever you are doing tracing, what you have to do, first to take OP. Babu, follow my instructions. It will be good for you. OP. Come on. OP. Taken a OP, all of you. Drawn on paper.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, now, yes. Now I said, first line, string name equal to Rama. What this code is doing? Come on.
Declaring.
One variable will create. What is the name of the variable?
String.
What is the name of the variable? Name.
Rama.
Name.
Name only.
Rama. What is this?
Terminology is important here. Terminology is important. Name of the variable is name. Type. Name of the variable is name. Type is.
String.
String.
Value is.
Rama.
Very good. That's it. Okay. So next, F10. Babu, F10. Now it's going to which line?
Integer age.
Which line? Which
Integer
line?
age.
Equal to
No.
20.
Which line means second line. In
Second
second
line.
line, what it's doing? It's creating one more variable. What is the name of the variable?
Age.
Age. What is the type of the variable?
Integer.
What is the value of the variable?
20.
20. Then after this, control will execute. Next, I'm going to next level. Tracing. Console dot write line. Console dot write line of name means what it will do. Write line will do what? Write line will print Rama. Rama.
Age.
And move the cursor to no. Move the cursor to next line. Be line by line execution. Okay. Now, are you clear? Now control is going to execute console dot write line of age. What it will do? What it will do? It will print to what is it? It will print to 20 where the cursor is blinking. Here cursor is blinking. 20 and move the cursor to which line? Next line. Move the cursor to next line. Then after this, console dot readline. Console dot readline. Console dot readline is doing what? Come on.
Holding the output window.
Holding the out.
Holding the out until user press enter. Right. Done now. Simultaneously with me, all of you guys.
Yeah. Sir, actually,
Right. Yeah. Wait, man. Any doubts you ask me last. Okay. Right. This is a procedure. All of you guys understood?
Yes.
Hello. Yeah. How many have done like this? How many have done like this?
Sir, I have tried doing it like this, but I am not getting that red pointer. I'm not able to locate that.
Break.
Yeah, break point. Yes.
Don't worry. Now you do one thing. Go to your code. Left side. All of you guys put break now. Again. Move the cursor to top. Left side. Top. My cursor is moving. Observing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here. Exactly. Left side of the main heading. In this border. Press left mouse button. Press left mouse button.
Yes, sir, I did.
Coming.
Yeah, it came now.
That's it. 1-2 times when you try, all these things will come. Now we are going for next program, guys. Right? Did you enjoy the tracing? Hello.
Yeah, quick question, please. What is holding the output window?
When you are doing output like that, are you understanding? Are you able to do? Hello? Yeah, right. So next we'll go for next program. Write a console program to store employee information. We are going for next program. Write a console program to store employee information. That is employee number 123, employee name Rama, salary 1000, into three variables. And print these values with the help of variables. This is the requirement. Taken, all of you? Hello? Taken now. Taken? Babu, taken now. Respond, Avale.
Yes,
Come on,
sir,
you have to respond. What you are doing? Come on. Now. Yes. Now I am going to design. Based on the requirement, I am going to design. Now take pen and paper, all of you. OP. Come on. OP. Coding learning. This is the model you have to learn in C language. Then you will not come to even the .NET classes. Right. Now I need how many values I want to represent?
Three values.
Three variables. Come on, draw. ENO. What is the type? Into.
Integer.
What is the value? Come on. What is the value? 1, 2, 3. What is the second variable?
Employee name.
Employee name. Simple. What is the type? String. What is the value? Variable. Let's say ESAL. You take simple variable. Type. You can take into, but it is money related values. Now money related things, tomorrow it may change as fractional also. That's why better to go with floating point data type called double. So double can contain even though numerical value also. It can be 1000, okay, 1000.50 also okay. But if you declare it as integer 1000, okay, 1000.50 it will not error. That's why we are declaring as double. Now print 1, 2, 3 with the help of ENO, and Rama with the help of ENAME, and 1000 with the help of ESAL, and move the cursor to next line holding. Able to design like this, all of you? Hello? Don't try to complete .NET, try to learn .NET. Faculty will write the program, but faculty will come to your company to write your code. No, right? So you have to write. Okay, I understood his assumption. Reality is when you are able to write the code for the given requirement is reality. Be with reality. Come on. Come back to our discussion. Now I am going to write the code here. Now not I am writing. You people have to write. Can you?
Yes, sir. We can.
Convert this design into code. Convert this design into code. It is house plan. Construct the house. Come on. Fast. Yeah. Over. Completed. How many people are completed? Fast. Come on. Over.
Yes.
Right. Over. How many people are able to write the code?
I did, sir.
Very good. Now tell me the code. Into ENO
Int
equal to
employee ID equal to 1.
1, 2, 3. What is the requirement I have given? 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Yes.
Next string.
String employee name.
Rama. Next, come on. Double
Int
salary equal
salary.
to 1000. Console dot. What is that?
Right line.
Right line.
Come on.
Employee ID.
ENO. Console dot right line. Come on. ENAME.
Employee
Name.
Console dot right line. Come on.
salary.
Salary.
ESAL. Slowly you can observe. Slowly our code size is increasing. You observe step by step. Don't try to jump. Come on. Over. Last line.
Console dot
Console
Console
dot
dot
read line.
read line.
Now
Written
we
wrong.
are going with tracing. Now we are going with the tracing. Take pen and paper, all of you. Take pen and paper. Are you ready for tracing, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Main highlight of my training is making the student to read the code, making you to trace. Live tracing is highlight. Okay, in Hyderabad, when I am giving class, 3 to 500 students will be there. One student will be on board. Me will be on system. Okay, people will be, and for 300 students will be monitoring by 30 mentors. Everybody should do this tracing, live tracing. Come on, putting breakpoint. Putting breakpoint. Ready now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, OP. Come on, it's getting close. Training is class is going to close within 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes time. OP. OP, right? OP.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me. F10.
Uh,
F10.
in
Yeah.
integer.
Yeah, F10. What happened? One variable created. What is the name
Yeah.
of the variable?
ENO.
What is the name of
Employee number.
ENO? Employee number. Value.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Type
Integer
it.
type.
Over. Then execution over. Going for second line. What happened? What will happen?
E name.
It will get one more variable. What is the name of the variable?
E name.
E-name.
E-name. What is the value?
Rama.
Rama.
Rama. Type is what?
String.
String. Okay. Now, next go for one more variable. What is the name of the variable?
ESAL.
Salary.
What is the name of the variable? ESAL. ESAL. Value.
1000.
1000.
1000.
Type.
Double.
Double.
Double. Type is double. Over. Now, how many variables are created till the time?
3.
3 variables.
Three variables.
3 variables. Now, right line of ENO. What right line of ENO will do? It will print what?
We print
Print 1, 2,
1,
1, 2, 3.
Move the cursor to
Second line.
second line. You can also observe your 1 minute. You can observe your my OP also, because we are tracing on whiteboard, but we are not even the considering cursor window. You can observe cursor move to which line?
Second line.
Second
So it's
line.
bringing in second line like that. Are you clear? Yeah. Console dot right line of E name. Come on, tell me. Console dot right line of E name. What will happen? It will print what? Rama. Rama. And move the cursor to which line? Second line.
Third line.
Okay, now third line. Sorry, third line. Now again, console dot right line of ESAL. Now what it is going to do? Come on.
1000.
It's going to print what? 1000. It's going to print 1000. Move the cursor to which line? Next line. Move the
14.
cursor to which line? Next line. Right. After this, console dot read line. Console dot read line. It's going to hold the command prompt window. Observed all of you. Real output and whatever the output we have done like this. Clear? Done? Able to do? Hello?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you participating in tracing? That is very, very important. How many are using pen and paper?
Yes. Sir, I'm using it.
Right. Task, homework 1. Starting your homeworks. Come on. Starting your homeworks. Right. Very good. We will use pen and paper, they will get results. You will feel here and there, I can't help anything. Choice is yours. Listen. Write a console program, Babu. Right, Kushal. Come on, mute yourself. Write a console program to store student information. That is, Kushal, mute yourself. Student ID. Level 1. Arey, Kushal. Simply I said mute yourself. Why you are giving your noise to us? Student name, Rama. Student location, Hyderabad. Into 3 variables. SID, comma, S name, comma, SLOC, print using variables. This is homework 1. Homework 2. Right, first task. Second, write a console program to store customer information, that is customer ID 1, 2, 4, customer name Sita, customer mail ID Sita at gmail.com, store into the variables, that is CID, CNAME, CMail ID, and print to the user with the help of variables. Okay, with the help of variables. What you have to do? How many requirements, all of you guys? Step 1, design on paper. Try to understand. Step 2, step 1, design on paper. Step 2, write code in Visual Studio. Step 3, tracing output on paper. Take 3 photos and send to my mail. Send to Sahiti. Will you track all the outputs? Sahiti,
Sir?
can you track outputs? Homework. Can you track? Are you accessing info at TekZenius.com mail ID? Okay, otherwise RN Reddy at Tech. You have my mail ID, I think, guys. TekZenius.com. Okay, na? So my mail ID, send to this mail ID. All the guys has to do. Can you?
Yes.
Guys?
Yeah, we'll do.
Hello. Can I give you this homeworks? Can I send you through chart?
Yes, sir.
You can copy
It's
paste
good.
very easy. But writing on paper is good, man. Even though copy paste, I hate copy paste. Writing on paper is good, effective. Okay, guys, that's it. Did you receive chart, all of you?
Yeah.
Save in your notepads. Copy paste again. Save in notepads. Can you?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you very much, guys. This is about today class. Tomorrow we are going to enter into almost data types concept, and in tracing we'll go next level. Then we'll enter into data types. Once data types is completed, we'll go to typecasting. So you see coming classes how it will be. Did you enjoy it today?
Yes, sir. We did.
Yes.
Enjoy. When you're writing coding, you should enjoy. That is my dream. See this. I'll talk to you on Friday. Wait up to Friday. You see what will happen in coding. So coding is not tough. Coding is easy. A BCom student also can become software engineer in .NET with this training. I'm sure about that. Thank you guys. Bye to all.